Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by making sure Snipping Tool is ready and Excel displays exactly what you need. Open the workbook, position columns, and zoom for clarity. This reduces rework. Next, launch Snipping Tool with the Start menu and pick a mode: rectangular for tables, window for charts. Once done, make sure to disable any floating tooltips in Excel. Those show up in captures. This first step saves you time because clean input equals a clean image, and that matters for readability. Now you'll perform the actual capture and refine it. Select rectangular for grid shots, drag slowly to avoid clipping formulas, and use delay of 1 to 3 seconds to capture transient menus. If you need a dialogue, choose window mode. Once the snip appears, crop tightly and use the highlighter to call out key cells. Add a pen note for numbers or formula references. Make sure to save a copy in PNG for quality and a JPG for smaller file size. Finish by saving and sharing your snip correctly. Save as PNG to preserve text sharpness. If you paste into another Excel sheet, use Paste Special to keep layout consistent. For emailing, attach the file or paste directly into the message body. If something goes wrong, check that Excel is the active window and restart Snipping Tool. Make sure clipboard access is enabled in settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if captures are blank or black, toggle Display Driver or update graphics drivers and try again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.